Okay. So today we will discuss how to create a table, how to do the operations with table and all we'll see today. So for that, what we have to do, we have seen already in the last session, what is data, that is collection of information, how the data will be stored, okay, how the data will be stored, in which format data will be stored, and where these tables will store. All those six we have seen. But today we will see on the screen, practically we will see today. For that, if you see, okay, for that, suppose this is a database. This is a database. Which database server it is? It's a Oracle database server, suppose. This is a Oracle database server. Okay. Oracle database server. Okay, you installed already. Oracle database. This database is having different schemas. Schema 1, schema 2, schema 3, schema 4. So these are all schemas. These are all what? Schemas. This is schema 1. This is schema 1. This is schema 2. Okay. This is schema 2. This is schema 3. This is schema 4. Okay. Now, in these schemas, in every schema, tables will be present. Okay. In every schema, tables will be present. How? Like this. This is table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4. Table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? Yeah. Okay. So first, a database is a first. Yes, please. Yeah. 1 second. Okay. Yeah. So what I'm trying to say is database is a collection of schema. Database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of tables. Understanding? Every database, there will be different schemas. In that schemas, we'll be having tables. Are you clear? Now we should understand how to create a table. We should understand how to create a table, how to insert the records into table, how to delete the records into table. All those things we will see now. Understanding what is a schema is? Are you clear? In any database, if you take SQL Server database, if you take Oracle database, if you take Teradata database, if you take any database, in the database, first we should create a schema. Under schema, we should create n number of tables. Under schema, we should create n number of tables. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Okay. Now, today we will see how to create a table in Oracle. Before going to Oracle, now, see please, if you want to work on any database, suppose if you want to work on Oracle database, you should learn commands. Commands means what? There will be predefined commands which will be developed by Oracle. By using those commands only, you have to create a table or whatever it is. So, as I told you, examples of database servers are, most popular examples are, database servers are Oracle database, okay, Oracle database, SQL Server database, Teradata database. These are the most popular. MySQL, Greenplum, Snowflake, These are the, okay, these are the main databases. That means different databases used for different projects, used with different companies. Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear? So today, see, if you learn this Oracle, you may work on this also, because the commands of Oracle will be same, almost same in this. Maybe one or two commands are different, but almost same in this. Understanding? So if you learn Oracle properly, you can easily understand these things. So concentrate more into Oracle now. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Understanding? Everyone? Yes. So now today we'll discuss about Oracle. Actually, Oracle database contains two things, two parts: SQL, PLSQL. SQL, PLSQL. Oracle database contains two parts: SQL, PLSQL. SQL means structured query language. Structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language. Procedural language, structured query language. Procedural language, structured query language. Are you clear, please? So to get a job in Informatica, first one is enough. No need to learn second one. If you are already known, then it is good. Otherwise, you can learn only first one, SQL. First, we'll learn SQL. Understanding? Everyone? So today, we are learning Oracle SQL. What we are learning? Oracle SQL. Are you clear, please? To work with any ETL tool or Informatica tool, we should learn a database, because database is a backbone for any ETL tool. Database is a backbone for any ETL tool. Understanding, everyone? Understanding? Yes, please. So today we are learning about Oracle SQL commands. Oracle SQL commands we are learning. Okay. So don't worry. These are very easy. You can easily practice them. So I will tell you how to practice with them. I will tell you how to practice. Yes, please. Yeah. Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone? Yeah. Okay. Now, yes, please. In Oracle SQL, we have basic five types of commands. In Oracle SQL, we have five basic types of commands. What are those? DDL, DDL commands, DML commands, DCL command, transaction control language, TCL commands, okay, and DQL commands, DQL commands, okay, and DCL, data control language commands. Okay, DDL, DML, TCL, TQL. Okay, understanding? These are the few commands we'll categorize. Okay, we'll categorize. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Understanding? Now, DDL means data definition language. DDL means data definition language. Data definition language. Under DDL, we will get create table command, alter table command, drop table command, rename table command, and then truncate table command. So under DDL, we will be having create, alter, drop, rename, truncate. DML command, data manipulation language. Data manipulation language. In this, we have insert command, update command, delete command. TCL commands are commit. TCL means transaction control language. Transaction control language. In this, commit, rollback. DQL means data query language. In this, we have one command called select. DCL means data control language. Data control language we have in this grant and revoke. Are you clear, please? These are the ABCDs of Oracle. If you want to learn something in Oracle, you should learn these things. Okay. If you want to learn Oracle SQL, first you should learn these commands. Understanding? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Understood? Now, now to work on the above Oracle commands, to work on above Oracle commands, you should have installed first. You should install two things in your system. You should install Oracle server that I given, Oracle server 11G, Oracle 11G, and you should install SQL developer, Oracle SQL developer. Okay, you should install these two both first. I think you might have already installed this, correct? I think you already installed this. Yes or no? Yes, guys? Yeah. Okay. You almost 90% of the people installed. If you did not install, please install today. Please install today. So you got to install Oracle Server 11G. By using Oracle SQL Developer, we'll connect to it. So now first to work with this, to work with Oracle SQL Developer, what you have to do? You have to check the services first. In your system, Oracle services should be running up. Oracle services should be running up. How? You have to go to services. You type services in search bar, open services, scroll down for Oracle services. Scroll down for Oracle services. You have to check. There are 5 services. For Oracle, there are 5 services. To work with Oracle, these should be running status. The first one, Oracle Job Scheduler XC, that is disabled, leave it. That is disabled, leave it. The next one is Oracle MTR Recovery Service. It's in running status. Service XC, running status. CLR Agent, running status. XC TNS Listener, running status. First, you should check whether these are in running status or not. If any one of these, in these 4, leave about the first one. In any one of these 4 are not running, if they are visible like this, right click on it, start. Right click on it, start the service. Wait for 2-3 minutes, and then what you have to do, and then you have to launch SQL Developer. So before you work on Oracle, these things you should keep in mind. These things you should keep in mind. So these services should be running up. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? So now these services are running up. Now you should launch Oracle SQL Developer. What you should launch? Oracle. Once you install Oracle, you might have got one. You might have got on the desktop. You might have got one icon called Oracle SQL Developer. Okay, 1 second. Somewhere it will be there on the desktop. It will be there. Here, this one, SQL Developer shortcut. Okay, it will be there. Double click on it. Once you double click, Oracle SQL Developer window will open. Oracle SQL Developer window will open. Like this, it will open. So once it is open, it look like this. It look like this. So we will use we will see the commands in this window. We will see the commands, or we will write the commands. We will write the Oracle SQL commands in this window. See, while I am telling, you no need to write down anything, because anyway, I will give the today's video till 10 videos. You will get it, and I'll give the notes also. I'll give the notes also. You no need to note down anything. Just understand carefully. Just understand carefully what I am saying. Listen carefully. I told you already, if you listen carefully, 100% problems will resolve. So Please listen carefully. Are you clear? Everyone? Understanding, guys? So please listen carefully. Okay? Yes. Now, see please. So before you opening this window, you should check your Oracle services. If they are running, this will work fine. As I told you, this is the Oracle database. In the database, we have different schemas. These are all schemas only. So these are all schemas, different schema. Under each schema, you will find the tables. Under each schema, you will find the tables. See please. Under Oracle database, under OTSR CDO 13 schema, we have different tables. Understanding? Everyone? So now, first what we have to do, we have to create a schema. A schema is a collection of tables. Schema contains n number of tables. Schema contains n number of tables. So now what you should do, okay? What you should do? You should create a schema first. You should create a schema first. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? So now how to create a schema? How to create a schema, we will see now. How to create a schema, we will see now. Okay? Yeah, see please. To create a schema, see, when you open Oracle SQL Developer, in your system, maybe only two things you have seen, 2-3 schemas, because you created. In my video, I told you to create, I told you how to create the schemas and all in my video. That means for Informatica installation, you might have created 2-3 schemas. Only those will be present. Only those will be present. Okay. So now in this Oracle database, in this SQL Developer, this is called a title bar. This is called a title bar. This is called menu bar. This is called tool bar. The left side window is called navigation window. The left side window is called navigation window. The right side window is called workspace window. Okay, workspace window. Yes, please. And we have one more window called output window. We have one more window called output window. This is output window. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear? Yeah. So the first one is menu bar. Next one is toolbar. Next one is toolbar. Next one is navigation window. And this is workspace window. This is output window. The last one is status bar. Okay. Now, what you have to do now? First, what you have to do? Okay. You have to create a schema first. What we need to do? How to create a schema in Oracle? Yeah. How to create a schema in Oracle? Yes, please. We'll see. Yeah. So to create a schema, number one, first, create a schema in Oracle SQL Developer. Create a schema in Oracle SQL Developer. Okay. So how to create? To create a schema, open SQL Developer, connect to sys. This sys is a system user. This will be installed by Oracle itself. So if you want to create a schema, yes, please. If you want to create a schema, first you should connect it to sys user. First you should connect it to sys user. How to connect to sys user? Click on this plus button. Click on plus button. When you click on plus button, the sys window will open. Here, you should write a command to create a schema. Okay, to create a schema. Yes, please. Yes, guys. Yeah. Understanding? Are you clear? Everyone? Yes, guys. Yeah. One second, please wait. Please wait. I'll tell you. Please wait. I'll tell you. One minute, please wait. Guys, I'll be back in 1 minute. Please wait. I'll be back in 1 minute. Please wait. So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to create a table, you have to create a schema. How to create a schema? I'll open from starting. First, open SQL Developer. Open SQL Developer. In here, where you will write a command to create a schema. Where you will write it, you have to open schema. Just click on this plus. Click on this plus. Once you click on this plus, this window will open. Once you click on the plus, this window will open. So what is this window? This is sys schema, that is sys user. This is sys user. That means it is installed by Oracle itself. Here we need to write it. Here we need to write how to create a schema. So how to create a schema? See, in Oracle, schema name or username both are same. Schema name or username both are same. Now we will write what? We will write a command. Create user schema name. Schema name can be your name, my name, anything. I am writing a meaningful name called OT SRC Dev 14. Some name I am writing. Identified by password. I am giving a password called admin. So this is how you need to create a schema. How to create a schema? Create user, username or schema name identified by password. The password is small admin. Put a semicolon. After that, write one more line. Grant all privileges to username. That is this. Grant DBA to this one. So if you don't understand these two, that's not a problem. Leave it. We'll never bother this. If you want to create any user, now what we are doing? We are creating a schema in Oracle SQL Developer. How to create a schema? You should write three commands. Create user, schema name. Create user, schema name. 1 second. Yeah. Create user, username. Okay. Identified by, for this username, password is admin. For this username, password is admin. Understood? How to create a schema? So either you can select one by one and run. So just select this and execute this. Here, run statement, execute it. User OT SRC Dev 14 created. Then execute it. Grant succeeded. Select, execute. It will also execute. This is how you should create a schema. Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Are you clear? Yes, please. One second, please wait. Okay. So you can change any name. See, you can give any name. Not only this name, you can give your name, my name, any name. But I am giving some name. So create user, semicolon, yes. Better use a semicolon, yes. At last, at the end of the line, use a semicolon. At the end of the line, use a semicolon. Yes, please. Are you clear? Yeah. Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? So create user, username or schema name, identified by password, grant all privileges to this. Okay. Underscore also, see, for every schema we need to use in sys schema, correct. If you want to create any schema, first you need to open sys user. Under sys user only you should create the schema. Under sys user only. Why I am giving underscore is, see, you should not give spaces. It will not take spaces. Instead of space, I am giving underscore. This should be single word. This should be single word. That's why I am using underscore. Are you clear, please? Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? Yeah. So semicolon, yes, it is necessary. Now you created a schema. What is the schema name? OT-SRC Dev 14. So let's say this is a schema name. Let's say this is a schema name. The schema name is OT means order tables source development. I'll tell all those things later. Okay. I created one schema called OT-SRC Dev 13 or Dev 14. Some schema I created. Once you create a schema, you need to configure it. Here it is showing here. See here, is it showing? Dev 13 is showing, Dev 14 is not showing. Dev 14 is not showing. So what to do to show Dev 14 here? What to do now to show Dev 14 here? Okay. To show Dev 14 here, you need to configure the schema. So how? Click on this plus button. There is a green plus button here. Click on this plus button. Now write a name. Name will be your schema name. OT, whatever the name you are using, the same name you use it. Whatever the name you used, the same name OT SRC Dev 14. Username also same. Username, name or schema name, all are same. Password. What is the password we given admin in the small letters only? I given admin in small letters only. Give password as admin. Save password. After that, test. See here, success. So what to do? Once you create a schema, once you write the command and execute it, what you have to do? You have to, once it is executed, what you have to do? You have to create this, you have to click on this plus button. Click on this plus button. And now, okay, here you write the schema name OT SRC Dev 14, username OT SRC Dev 14, password admin, and then save password, test, connect, test, connect. Understanding, everyone? So once you connect, it is connected to your schema. See here, OT SRC Dev 14 is visible. There is a plug button is visible. Understanding, everyone? How to create a schema? Did you understand? How to create a schema? Did you understand? This is how you need to create a schema. Once you create a schema, you can click on this plus button. Left side plus button for OT SRC Dev 14. We have many things, tables, view. These are all database objects. These are all database objects. Database objects are tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions, operators. But in this, we'll deal with only tables and views. When you click on tables, there are nothing is there. There is no table existing. There is no table existing in OT SRC Dev 14. Now you need to create a table. So you created a schema. Under this schema, what we have done under this schema, okay, you want to create a table now. You want to create a table. How to create a table? We will see now. So before going how to create a table, did you understand how to create a schema and where to create a schema? How to create a schema and where to create a schema? Did you understand? Are you clear, everyone? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. Now, first we should create a table. So what kind of a table? Table is what? Table is collection of what? A table is a collection of rows and columns. Table is a collection of rows and columns. The horizontal lines are called rows or records. The vertical lines are called What is the difference between schema and database? A database consists of multiple schemas. Database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of tables. Are you clear? Database is a collection of schema. Schema is collection of a table, collection of the tables. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? Understood? Yes? Okay. Now, try to understand. Now we need to create a table. So table is a collection of rows and columns. The horizontal lines are called rows. The vertical lines are called columns or fields. Columns or fields. First, we should create a structure of the table. What we have to do? First, we should create a structure of the table. Now, number two, how to create a definition or how to create a definition. So, create a definition or structure of the table. Structure of the table. That means you should decide what is the table name. My table name is students, suppose. In this, what are the columns I want? Student ID, student name, marks, city. Suppose this is what you want. What you want is, what you wanted? I want 4 columns in my table. What are the column names? Student ID, student name, marks, city. This is called structure of a table or definition of a table. So if you want to create a table, you should create the structure of the table first. Okay. Student ID. Normally, what kind of data will be present in student ID? What kind of data? Numerical data, right? 100, 200, 300, correct? Normally, ID will be like 1234, 1235, 1236. Student ID, student roll number contains like R 123, 1, 2, 3, roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3. So we should decide before you create a table structure, you should decide what type of data should present in it. What type of data? Student ID should consist only numbers. It should not consist. Okay. It should not consist alphabets. It should contain only numbers. How many numbers you want? Up to how many digits? Up to how many digits? Okay. Up to how many digits? Yes, please. Yeah. Just a second, please. One second, please wait. Please wait. Just a second, please wait. Please wait, please wait. Yes. So before you create the structure of a table, you should decide, what type of column it is. What type of column it is. Okay. Yes, please. So is it a numerical? Is the column contains numerical fields? Is the column contains alphabets? Is the column contains alphanumerics? What is that? We should decide. Okay. We should decide. Yes, please. Understanding? Yeah. Now, suppose, let's say student ID should contain only student ID should contain only numbers. How many numbers? Maximum 3 numbers only. So that data type, this is called data type and size. So student ID contains only numbers, only numbers. Okay, only numbers. Okay, so that number should be only 3 digits. That means it can contain 1 or 10 or 150 or 200 or 300 or 999. So maximum up to 3 digits it will allow. So you can increase it. If you want number of 10, you can write it. But I am writing number of 3. Understanding? So my student ID can contain 1 to 3 numbers max, 3 digits max. Okay, student name. Normally student name contains what? Student name contain characters or strings. So that data type is called varchar2. In Oracle, a data type is called varchar2. Suppose up to 50 characters it will allow. Up to 50 characters. Up to 50 characters it will allow. Understanding? It should allow, I'm saying. So it can allow n number of characters. But my requirement is up to 50 characters it should allow. So that means you can write the names like this. Raj, okay, Ram, Ramya, okay, Divya, yes please, John, Rajesh, like this. Next, marks. Marks contains what? Marks contains decimal numbers also, right? Decimals, numbers also. Yes or no, please? Marks contains the decimals also. I am giving number 5, 2. What is 5, 2? I will tell you. What is 5, 2? I will tell you. City again, varchar field. City again, a varchar field. So what you have to do, before you create a table, you should decide the column names and the data types and size. This is new number data type of size 3, varchar2 data type of size 50, number, size and precision, varchar 100. Understanding everyone? Are you clear? So now we need to create a table with this structure. How? See please. Under this schema. Now I need to create a table under this schema. So I am closing everything and I am opening again. I am closing everything and I am opening SQL Developer again. Open SQL Developer. Varchar2 is a data type in Oracle. Varchar2 is a data type in Oracle. Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear? Guys, please wait. Please wait 1 minute. Please wait. Just a second, guys. I got a call. Please wait. I got a call. Please wait. Yes, please. That was an important call from office. I couldn't able to. Yeah. So now what I have done, I need to create a table. To create a table, open SQL developer. Under which schema you need to create? The schema which we have created, OTSRC Dev 14. Click on this. Once you click, a window will open. Here we need to write a create table statement. Now what to do? Create a table definition, create a table definition or structure of the table. Create a table definition, how to write? See, please, you should write like this. Create table, open and close the brackets. Create table name. What is your table name? Students. What is your table name? Students. In that, what columns I want? I want student ID. Student ID. What data type? Number. How many numbers? 3 numbers. Maximum 3 digits. Comma. Student name. Varchar to 50. Suppose student name can contain 50 characters maximum. Next, marks. Number 5,2. What is this 5,2? I will tell you now. Number 5,2. Okay, comma. Next, city, varchar to 100. Like this, you need to create a table. Create table name. Table name can be anything. And column names, whatever the requirement, as per my requirement, my column name is student ID, that is number data type. Student name varchar, marks is number, city is varchar. So now what I should do? Put a semicolon and select it and execute. Is the table students created? Is the table students created? Yes, please. Understanding? Now what is this number 5,2? Number 5,2. Number 5,2 means total digits should be 5. Total digits should be 5 digits. In that, before two digits, dot should be there. Before 2 digits, dot should be there. Decimal point should be there. That means 123.15. If you see this 123.15. Okay. So 123.15, total digits are 5. Yes or no? Total digits are 5. Yes, please. In that 5,2 means before 2, it should be, suppose if you give number 6,3. Number 6,3 means, okay. Yes, please. Yeah. Number 6,3 means what? Number 6,3 means? Yeah. Total digit 6, 999. Okay. Dot 999. So the total digits are 6. In between, the below 3 are dot. Below 3 are dot. Yes, please. Understanding? Are you clear? Understanding? Are you clear? Everyone? Yes, please. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. Suppose if I have number 8,3. Number 8,3 means? Number 8,3 means? Dot will not consider. Dot also will not consider. So total digits 1. So 4457 dot 568. So the total is 8 digits now. The total is 8 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this, before 3 digits, dot should be there. Dot should be there. Understanding? Are you clear? Everyone? Understood? Are you clear, please? Everyone? So now we have created a table with a structure. What is the structure? Student ID is the column name. Why we are using dot? It's a decimal point. Suppose I have 50 rupees dot 50 paisa, 50 rupees dot 20 paisa. So that is a decimal, right? Decimal point. That is a decimal point, right? Rupees. How we will? Rupees are marks. I got 99.9 percentage. I got 50.55 percentage. Like that. That is where the decimal points will come. Okay. So now student in my table there are 4 columns. The column names are student ID, number of 3, student name varchar to 50. Okay. Marks number 5, 2, city varchar to 20. That means it can be like this, no? So marks can be maximum 3 digits, maximum 5 digits, 2 digits before dot. So 1, 2, 3 dot or 99.95. Okay, or 100.10. Yes, please. Like this, you can write 999.99. The maximum number it will allow is 999.9, and 0 also it will allow. Okay, 14 also it will allow, 20 also, 200 also it will allow. The maximum number, the minimum number is 0. The maximum number is 999.99. In between anything you can write it. Suppose city, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, Goa, okay, Pune, Mysore. Like this you can write the cities up to 100 characters. Each city will allow up to 100 characters. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? So before you insert the records into your table, you should create a table structure first. You should create a table structure. So this is a table structure. Understanding? This is a table structure. Yes, please. What is that? In sixth line, why should not we keep it comma city varchar 200 here? 1 second. So the last one, see, every column should have a comma, but not last column. Number 4, 0 means only 4 numbers. Number 4 or 4, 0, both are same. Number 4 or 4, 0, both are same. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear? Everyone? Understanding? Yes. So you created a table structure. Once you create a table structure, that means my table is having 4 columns with these data types. No data is there still. How to see the structure of a table? How to see the structure of a table? So you created, where it is created, you can see here. Number 1, you just disconnected your disk, right click on it, disconnect and connect again. Now the table can be visible here. Are you seeing, students? Are you seeing here, students? The table which we created just now. If you click on plus, it will show the column names. Or you have one more command to see the, so how to create a table like this. To create a table, this is how you need to create a table. Next, number 3. To see the structure of the table, to see the definition or structure of the table, or the structure of the table. How? See, please. How to disconnect? Right click on schema, right click on schema, right click, disconnect, and then click on plus button. It will connect again. It will connect again. Now, once you created a table, if you want to see the structure of a table, you can see DESC table name. DESC table name. Yes, please see, please. If you see here, DESC students describe. Either you can write DESC or you can write describe also. Or you can write describe also. Both are same. Now my table contain student ID, number of 3, student name varchar to 20, varchar to 50, marks number of 5, 2, city varchar to 100, city varchar to 100. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. Are you clear? Understanding? how to create a table structure, and how to see the table structure. If you want to see the table structure, the command is DSC table name. DSC table name. Null means I'll tell later. What is null? I will tell later. Understood now? Are you clear, guys? How to create a table? How to see the structure of the table? Are you clear? So my table contains 4 columns. Student ID, student name, marks, city. 4 columns my table contains. Now, how to see the data in the table? To see the data or rows in a table, how to see? So to see the rows or data, you can write select star from table name. Select star from table name. My table contains varchar, varchar2 both are same. Varchar, varchar2 both are same. Varchar2 is an advanced version of varchar. Both are same. Don't think much about it. Now, if I want to see the number of records from a table, if you want to see the number of records from a table, you can see select star from students. Select star from students means what? Select all columns from the students. Select student ID, student name, marks, city. How to add a new column, we'll see later. How to add a new column, we'll see later, please. So first try to understand this. We'll see later all those things. Try to understand the basics. Okay. Yes, please. So now what is my next question is? So how to see the data? Select star from students. It is having 0 records. There are no records available, correct? Do we have any records in this table? Do we have any records in this table? No, we don't have any records in this table. Yes, please. No, we cannot. Okay, so you don't have 0 records. So how to see the number of records from a table? Select star from students. Okay, now I want to insert the records. I want to insert these kind of records into my table. I want to insert student name as 1, student name as Raj, student name as Marks, student city is Bangalore. I want to insert the records into the table. How to insert the records into the table? Okay, next one is to insert the records or data into the table. To insert the records or data into the table. How to insert? We should write an insert command. How? See please. Insert into table name. Insert into table name. Next, column names, that is student ID, comma student name, comma marks, comma city. Okay. After that, values. In the values, write it. What is student ID? 1, comma. So student ID is 1. Student name is Raj. Raj is a character data type, varchar data type. That's why we should give in single quotes. Comma, marks, suppose 100. Comma, what is the marks? 99.95. 99.95. Comma, Bangalore. Bangalore is a varchar data type. That's why single quotes. For number data type, decimal data type, you no need to give the quotes, single quotes, but character data types, that is varchar data types, you should write the quotes. Now take this and execute. 1 row inserted. Is 1 row inserted? Yes, please. 1 row inserted. Yes or no? Guys, I need the responses, please. 1 row inserted. Yes. So now, how to see that row? Select star from students. Select star from students. Execute. You got 1 row. Student ID is 1. Student name is Raj. Marks is 99/95. City is Bangalore. Okay. Suppose you want to insert one more record. Just copy this. Control C, Control V. And next record is 10. Now write it. 10 RAM. Okay. 10 RAM. Next 100.1. 100.1. Okay. Chennai. Okay, you can write it. If you want to write one more, you copy paste this. Next is 150. Ramya. 999. 999. Mumbai, comma, Mumbai. So 10 is student ID. Student name is Ram. Marks is 100. City is Chennai. You can write in single line, but don't write single line. Don't write single line. Okay. You should, if you have more columns, you should write manually only. You should write manually only. This is how you have to insert the records in a table. Now both, select both and insert. Okay, Mumbai. Yeah. See, please select both and insert. One second, where is happening? One row inserted, the second row, there is a comma here. Yeah. Now see, please. So now select star for students, check it out. I have 3 records. I have 3 records in my table. Understanding? Everyone? Suppose you want to insert one more record. Just copy paste. Copy paste like this. What is the next one? 200 Divya. 200 Divya. 0. Okay. Goa. Next is 300 John. 14 Pune. Next, one more. Yes, please. 999 Rajesh. 200 Mysore. Yeah. Take these 3 and execute it. Now check. Now see, please. This is my records. Select star from students means see the number of records from a table. See, select all columns from the table. After insert statement, you should save the table. How to save the table? You must use commit statement. You must use commit statement. What is this? Commit. Commit means save the records into the table. Otherwise, it will not save. If you don't commit, if you close it, if you don't commit and if you close it, you will lose the records. You will lose the records. So when you insert the records, you should give commit. Now, my table, select star from students. That is, my table name is students. When I select all the columns from the students table, I got how many rows? I got how many rows? How many records? 6 records. 6 records I got it. And 4 columns. And 4 columns. These are records. These are records. And these are columns. And these are columns. Understanding? Suppose you don't want all the columns. Suppose you don't want all the columns. You want only few columns. Select student ID from students. You want to see only student ID from students table. You want to see student ID, comma marks. Comma marks. You can see only student ID, comma marks. You want city also. You can see student ID, student marks, city, and then student name, suppose. You can give any order. It will show in that order. It will show in that order. Understanding? Your order is in the table. When you create a table, when you give select star from, it will give student ID, student name, mark, city. While you are displaying on the screen, you can select only one column, or you can select number of columns. You can select all columns and in any order. That is called select statement. Understanding? Everyone? Understanding? Are you clear, please? How to insert the records This is how you can insert the records into a table. This is how you can insert the records into a table. Are you clear, please? How to save the records in a table? How to save the records? How to save the records? How to save the records from a table? Commit statement. Commit statement. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. So what and all we have seen? What and all we have seen? We have seen how to create a schema. How to create a schema? Open SQL Developer. Click on schema and write this commands. Write this command. Create user schema name identified by schema name identified by password. Create user username identified by password. Okay. Next, how to create the table structure? How to create the table structure? To create a table structure, we should use create table command. Create table name. You can suppose if you want to create one more table, you want to create customers table, suppose. Create table customers. In the customers table, what we have? Customer ID is a number data type, number of 5. Okay. Cust name, varchar to 200. Okay. Cust ID I will give varchar. Why I will tell? Suppose cust ID I am giving varchar 10. Why I will tell? Please wait. Customer name varchar 200. Then credit. You want date of birth? Okay. Date of birth, DOB, date data type. What is this? Date data type. Next, credit. Okay. Credit amount. Credit amount, number 5,2. Number 5,2. Customer ID, varchar. Customer name, varchar 200. Date of birth, date data type. Okay. So you want gender? Okay. Gender, varchar again. Gender, varchar 2, 10 I will give it. Okay. So you can create. Just create it. Varchar 2 means it contains characters only. It should contain characters only. Okay. So we created a table called customers. We created a table called customers. In the customers, what are the columns I have? In the customers, what are the columns I have? Cust ID, cust name, okay, date of birth, gender, credit amount. Suppose you want to create this table. You created the structure. Correct? How to see the definition? DSC customers. Now you need to insert. So see, my custody is what data type? My custody is varchar to 10. Character variable, correct? Varchar to 10. Cust name is varchar to 100. Date of birth is date data type. Gender is varchar to 10. Credit amount is number 5,2. These are the data types. Okay. See, varchar 2 is from Oracle. I did not put in this 2. They have given. You should use like this only. Varchar 2 only you should use. You cannot use as you wanted. There is a syntax. There should be some rules. You should follow some rules while you create a table. So varchar 2 is a data type. I am not writing varchar 2. It's a data type. See, custody. Custody is a alphanumeric. That means A123. Now, a varchar data type, varchar 2 data type can contain alphabets. That means characters, can contain characters, numbers, and alphanumericals also. See, you can give 4, 5, 6 also. You can give 4, 5, 6 also. You can give B586. Okay. CD 6944. Like this, you can write. Varchar2 data type contains characters, numbers, alphanumericals also. So it is taking numbers, it is taking alphabetical alphanumerics, and also it is taking just characters. It will take ABCD also. It will take ABCD also. But number should contain only numbers. Number cannot contain alphabets. Suppose I want to create first record. I want to create first record. Customer name, Raj, DOB. Suppose I am giving one date of birth, 01/01/2000. Let's say example. Okay. So Oracle, the default, Oracle default spaces also. Yes. You want the spaces? I can give A space 1, 2, 3. Character can space also a character. A space 1, 2, 3 I can give it. Okay. So customer name is Raj, but default date is 01 John 00 2000 01 John 00 or 2015 you want. Okay, you can write 01/01/15 like this. You can write. Okay, gender male, credit amount 10,000. Suppose you want to insert the records. Insert into customers, custody, comma customer name, comma DOB, comma gender, comma credit amount, values you can write on next line also. Now write custody is what? A space 1, 2, 3. A space 1, 2, 3. What is this? A space 1, 2, 3, comma customer name Raj, comma date of birth 01. Date, see, date also should contain in the single quotes. Date also should contain in the single quotes. 01. Okay. 01. 1 second. 01. Can I use varchar in database? No. Date should be in date database. So date data type only. 01 John 2015. So you can give 15. Comma gender male, comma credit amount 10,000. Like this you can insert. Insert it. One record. 1 second. Where it is going wrong. Just a second. A space 1, 2, 3. Raj. Okay. It should be. Yeah. Execute. One record inserted. Check the record. Select star from customers. Select star from customers. Are you seeing here? Yes, please. If you want to change the date format, we'll see. We'll see later. It will show 01/01/15. Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Understanding? Suppose you want to insert one more record. Take this record. Now what you want to insert? 4, 5, 6. So character data type means custody is a character data type. You should write in single quotes only. Whatever you write, because custody is a varchar data type, you should write in single quotes only. Okay. Next is suppose Ram. So his database is 31st December. Okay. 2018. Suppose. Okay. So male 200. Execute. One more row inserted. Check it out. Select star from customers. Are you clear, please? Understanding, everyone? How to insert the records? After inserting the records, you should give commit. After inserting the records, you should give commit. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone, are you clear? Suppose if you see select star from customers, there will be 2 records. Yes, please. Are you clear? How to insert the records into a table? How to create a table? How to insert the records into the table and how to create a table? Are you clear? Yes, please. Yes. So today, when you click run, only that time it will run, only that line will run. Yes. Whatever you select, only those records it will run. Only those records it will run. Okay. Understanding? Yes, guys. So today you practice these commands. Okay. Practice. I have no date of birth. Then what you have to do, we'll see later. We'll see later. Okay. If you create, if I create duplicate schema, you cannot create a duplicate schema. You cannot create. The name should be different. The schema name should be different. It will not take the same schema. It will not take the same schema. Did you understand, guys? Everyone? Did you understand today's concepts? How to create a table, how to insert the records into a table, okay? How to see the structure of a table. Are you clear? Are you clear? Yes, please. For every record, I have to insert separately. Yes. Yes. You have to separate. Yes. Can you show how to download Oracle SQL software? You ping me separately 9113861. You ping me separately on 911386154. We will send you the varchar2 contains special characters also. Varchar2 contains special characters also. You can edit the schema name. We'll see later that one. So if you don't have in how to insert, if you don't how to install Informatica and Oracle, if you don't know, ping me on this number. My team will send you. Okay. Yes, please. If you deleted the schema, you can create again. You can create. No problem. Can we insert data from files? You can insert. We'll see that later. We'll see. Is Informatica PC is web application or desktop? It's a desktop application. It is a Informatica is a desktop application. Yes, please. Are you clear? If you have to insert 100 rows, you have to insert manually. Yes, you have to insert manually. You have to insert manually. Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone, are you clear, please? Understood, guys? How many rows, columns is possible? There is no limit. There is no limit for number of columns or rows. You can create n number of rows, n number of columns. There is no limit. There is no limit. Are you clear? Understanding? Can we create multiple schemas? Yes, you can create multiple schemas. You can create multiple schemas. Understanding? Are you clear? First 10 recordings I will send. First 10 recordings I will send for sure. So now what I'll say, I'll give the today's notes. If I select all the select statements from create statement, commit statement, and run, together all it will run. Together all it will run. Okay. Today I will create the practice groups. Today I will create the practice groups. How to save the tables, commit command, commit. How to save the records from a table, commit, commit statement. Yes, please. I have deleted schema, then I try to create a schema, but it is showing it is already exist. Yeah, sometimes it will always show. Can you create the same table name under another schema? Yes. Another schema, you can create the same table name. Same table name. Can we insert multiple values at a time? Yes. But I recommend you to use this one only. But I recommend you to use this. Okay. Yes, please. Can we insert any types of files? No. Files you cannot insert. It is database contains tables only. Database will not contain files. Database contains tables only. Database contains tables only. Are you clear? Yes, please. Sys is a username. System username. Sys is a system username. Sys is a system username. So today what you have to do? You have more time, right? Next session will be on when? Next session will be on. I'll create the practice sessions. What is syntax of date data type? The format of date. Format of. Okay. Why we need to use student ID is varchar2? Why we used only customer ideas? That is our requirement. Based on your requirement, you have to use it. Based on our requirement, you have to use it. How many records you can create? N number of records. Okay. Next session is on Wednesday. Next session is on Wednesday. Is on Wednesday. Now what I'm trying to say, See, format of date data type. Default format of default date format in Oracle is DD, MON, YY. That is, you have to write 01 John 15, 31st December 2017, like this. This is the default date format in Oracle. Are you clear? Understanding? Everyone? Are you clear, please? So now see, tomorrow we have holiday. Now what you have to do? Whoever, I already told, whoever paid 15,000, they will get below access. They will get below access. What are those? Number one, website access. Number two, first website access. Number two, okay, WhatsApp group access. Number three, material access. Number four, practice groups access. So whoever not paid full fee, please pay the full fee to get this access. Okay. For example, we have house, number of alphabet. Yeah, if you don't get it, you will get it today. If you don't get it, if you paid 15,000, if you don't get it, you will get it. Today, what you have to do? Open rajinformatica.com. Open rajinformatica.com. Open this website. Log into your account. Log into your account first. Log into your account where it is sign up with Google. Click on sign up with Google. Click on sign up with Google. Click on sign up with Google. Choose your email ID which you given to me. Choose your email ID which you given to me, that Gmail ID. After that, go to students, enrolled courses. Go to students, enrolled courses. Under enrolled courses, go to students, enrolled courses. It will take some time, please wait. Normally it should come quickly, but it's taking time. Refresh again. Yeah. Now here, if you paid 15,000, you will be seeing this window. Informatica live training. If you don't get these tab, ping us on 9113861544. Ping us on 9113861544. We'll give the access. Click on this. Click on 19th batch morning. Click on 19th batch morning. Start learning. So in the lesson 1, I already given the first video. Otherwise, I'll send. This is a lesson 1. Okay, 19th batch morning, lesson 1. Lesson 2, today I will upload. This is previous batch. This 15th batch session 2, I'll upload today's. Once you watch today's video and practice all, watch lesson 3 also. Try to watch lesson 3 now itself. If you have time, try to watch all the lessons so that when you come to the next session, it will be easy for you. Understanding, everyone? So whoever joined today, first watch lesson 1, then watch lesson 2 and so on. Watch it all if you want, because on Wednesday, I will tell the same thing. When you come on Wednesday and if I tell the same thing, you can easily understand, because you already watched one time. I will tell again the same thing. Understanding, everyone? Yes, please. Will you watch it? Will you watch, guys? So practice well today itself. I will send this material which I have written here. I'll send this. You can please practice. Create as many as tables with the names, whatever the names you want. First create a schema, then create as many as tables you want. and create and insert the records into that and select it so that you will get good experience. Okay, so that you will get good experience. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Everyone? Yes, please. Are you clear? I told you only 1 to 10 sessions will be provided. Only 1 to 10 recordings will be provided. I already told about it. Recordings, only 1 to 10 recordings will be available. That's it. Only 1 to 10 recordings will be available. Yes, guys, understanding? Yeah. So after that, I will not give the videos. You have to join the live sessions and you have to practice well. Then only you will get the job. Otherwise, you will not get it. Okay, guys, are you clear? Everyone? Understanding? Yes, please. Yeah. So I'll send this material. You can see is there any particular name giving the schema name? You can give any name. You can give any name. Create a table in the, we should create a student ID. Any name you can give it. Any name. Is there any particular, any name you can give? Okay. Understanding, guys, everyone? Are you clear? Yes, please. So did you understand today's concept? Did you understand today's concept clear-cutly? Did you understand in a clear-cut manner? Any special characters also you can give in varchar. In varchar, any printable character you can give. Can we give same table name to schema or table? No, don't give. Don't give the same table name for schema and table. Okay. Under schema, different tables are present. See, please. Here, if you see, under this schema, we have different table names. We have different tables. Understanding? If you have 100 records, we'll see all those things later. Please. Okay. So try to help people. Try to help people in the group. If they ask you the questions, try to help the people in the group. Okay. Next session is on Wednesday. I already told you what is the difference between schema and database. Did I tell you, guys? Did I tell you what is the difference between schema and database? Database is a collection of schema. Database contains n number of schemas. Schema contains tables. Database contains schemas. Schema contains database objects called tables. Are you clear? Understood, everyone? Everyone understanding? Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. So see you on Wednesday. Okay? Yes, please. Without schema, you cannot create a table. No. If you want to create a table, first you need to create a schema. Under one schema, you can create 100 tables also, not a problem. You can create 1000 tables also. So first create a schema, then do it whatever you want. Then create the tables. Are you clear, everyone? Understanding? Yes, please. So the today's session is interesting? Yes, please. Yeah. Okay. See you guys. So please practice well and watch all the videos. Whoever paid 15,000, okay, they can watch the videos. So watch 1 to 10 videos. Try to watch how much ever you can watch and try to practice by seeing that. So that next class will be easy for you. Are you clear, please? Yes, guys. Yeah. Okay. So please, if you want to watch today's session, it will be available in YouTube. Okay. So you can watch it. Okay. So only 2 sessions will be available in YouTube. Remaining only whoever paid. That's it. So Whoever not paid, please pay and get the access as soon as possible. Please pay and get the access as soon as possible. Yes, guys. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all, guys. See you on Wednesday. Thanks for joining. Please don't waste time. Please practice as much as possible. Please practice as much as possible. Okay. Thank you all. See you guys. Bye-bye. See you guys. Thank you all.